Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about a few of my favorite eyeshadow sticks, or you can call it one and done eyeshadow. Now I already made a video like this on my IGTV where I talked about few one and done eyeshadows, but today I'm going to talk about few eyeshadow stick and I think one and done eyeshadow maybe. If you don't know what is one and done eyeshadow, it's like a very beautiful thing for beginners where you need only one single shadow for your entire lid. Now there are people who love minimal makeup and they do not want to invest in any kind of eyeshadow palettes, so this is like a great thing for you. And also if you are someone, you walk somewhere, just want some kind of color or some kind of shimmer on your eyelid and you just do not want to do your eye makeup, or you cannot do your eye makeup, this eyeshadow sticks are great for you. So I am just going to mention few of my personal favorite eyeshadow sticks that I am using quite a lot, and I just want to mention them. And yeah, let's get started. Eyeshadow stick that I am going to talk about is from Chambord. This is like my very old favorite product. This one is the Chambord sculpting eyeshadow stick in the shade Honey Gold. This shade is so beautiful. I think they have total 4 shades maybe. It is so pretty and I used this particular shadow so much. It's not a very chocolate brown kind of a shade, it's just a perfect honey gold shade. The name is like so good, and as you guys can see, it's like very bronzy, very beautiful. It is also very long lasting as well, and it's not very hard to use. It's not like any other cheap eyeshadow sticks which are like very hard to blend or something, because I personally hate them. If I am using any kind of eyeshadow stick, I want it to be very buttery, very smooth. I want my fingers to blend it out. So I am just going to show you guys how this particular product blends. And as you guys can see, it contains that shift of shimmer in it, which looks so beautiful. And you can just use it all over your eyelid and you can just blend it out with your fingers, and bronzy kind of a eyelid look. And it looks so beautiful. And it's not very like, it does not feel like you have something very sticky or creamy on your eyelids. It's really fast and it is very long lasting, and I am just in love with this particular. The second eyeshadow stick that I'm gonna talk about, and this is like my multi-purpose eyeshadow stick. So I'm talking about this particular one. This one is from K-Beauty. I haven't used that much K-Beauty products yet, but this is a product I just fell in love with. I'm just blown away how beautiful this particular product is. They have different section. One is their matte, like neutral, like nude kind of eyeshadow stick range, and then they have some shimmery glittery eyeshadow shade range. But this is a shade I purposely like selected this color just because I can also contour with this shade. So this is such a beautiful brownish everyday kind of a shade. So what I like to do, I like to contour with this shade. I like to use it all over my eyelid. I also like to use it as my lipstick as well. I'm gonna put a video right over here where I used a pink shade, and on top of that I used this particular color to just decrease the tone of that pink shade, and it was looking so pretty. So that's the reason I just love this. It's so affordable. I will not say it's very affordable, but it's affordable and it is so beautiful. It says that this is a matte eyeshadow stick, and it is exactly matte, very easy to blend, and it is very long lasting as well. And the color, and if you choose this kind of brownish color, you can use it in so many different ways, just like I love to do. The next product is this one right over here. This one is from Kiro, and this is like my newly favorite product. This one is the Kiro Long Wear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick, and this is what the product actually looks like. It's like a little bit pricey, but this is such a beautiful shade. This is such a beautiful rose gold metallic kind of a shade, which will instantly brighten up your eyes, which will instantly brighten up your makeup. And I just really love this product. And the quantity is also really nice. You get a lot of product, and just look at this shade. Isn't it so pretty? Like, even if you don't want to use it all over your eyelid, you can just use it on your inner corners or as a brow bone highlighter, or you can just mix up with any kind of transition shade, or you can just use some bronzer, use it as your transition shade and just use it all over the inner corner. It will look so pretty. This also contains vitamin C and mango seed oil in it, and that's the reason it is very buttery, very smooth. It glides on so beautifully. This is not an eyeshadow stick, but I'm just going to talk about this particular product from Disguise Cosmetics. This one is the One and Done Shadow, and this brand is vegan, it's cruelty free. And this shade, guys, it's such a pretty shade. I talked about it before as well, and this is, I don't have to explain it, just look at this color. It contains such a beautiful shift of gold, and you just need this single color all over your eyelid and you're just good to go. This is a beautiful shade. It's so pigmented, it's so buttery, and this just looks beautiful. Like, even if you are going for some kind of occasion, maybe wedding, you just need a little bit of color on your eyelid, just use this particular shade, this gold shade. Wear a kajal, a smudger brush, smudge out your kajal, some kajal on your lower lash line as well, smudge it out really well. Use a bindi, some mascara, you are good to go. You're gonna rock that look so well. That's pretty much it. That was all my favorite eyeshadow sticks. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.